In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restart an ended campaign in Google Ads. If you've ever had a campaign end and realized you want to run it again, the cleanest way to do this is by copying the old campaign and pasting it back into your account with new dates. This keeps all your past settings, ads, and structure intact while giving you a fresh start. Begin by signing into your Google Ads account. Once you're in, head to the Campaigns area. Depending on your layout, you'll likely click Campaigns in the navigation, and then you may see a Campaigns view again at the top. That's normal. It simply takes you into the full list where you can manage everything. Find the specific campaign you want to bring back. If it's marked as ended, that's fine. Click on that campaign to select it. Next, look for the Edit option. Click Edit, then choose Copy. You'll see a confirmation that the campaign has been copied. Close that message and give it a moment. The Paste button will appear once the copy is ready, so don't worry if it doesn't pop up instantly. When Paste becomes available, click Paste. This opens the Paste options so you can control what happens with the new version. Here's the important part. Click Adjust Start and End Dates. This ensures your copied campaign doesn't inherit the old time frame. Select the dates you want. Most people set the start date to today or a future date and either leave the end date open or choose a specific end date to match their plan. Clear dates help reporting and prevent the campaign from shutting off too soon. After you've selected the dates, click Paste again to finalize. Google Ads will create a new campaign based on the one you copied using the same structure, ads, targeting, and bidding settings, but with the new schedule you just set. This is a smart way to preserve performance learnings and reduce setup time, especially if your previous campaign was well optimized. A few tips as this finishes up. Keep an eye on naming so you can tell the new campaign apart from the old one. Many people add a date or relaunch to the name for clarity. Also remember that some ads may go through policy review again, which is normal. If you have seasonal budgets or updated bids in mind, this copy method keeps things consistent while giving you the flexibility to adjust later without rebuilding from scratch. And that's it. You've successfully restarted an ended campaign by copying it, pasting it back in, and applying fresh dates.